Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we will cook an amazing beef stew, which is perfect for a cold winter day. So stay tuned. First, we start by cutting up our beef. For this recipe, we will use a leaner cut. Next, we clean and dice some carrots. If you are looking for the exact amounts, let us know in the comments below. When done, we dice a few red peppers. Next, we clean and dice a few white onions. We continue by peeling and dicing some potatoes, and our prep is done. We start the cooking process by adding the pig fat to the cauldron, followed by the diced onions. We continue by adding the diced carrots, and we sear them for a minute. Next, we add the smoked paprika, we give it a good stir, and we add some tomato sauce. Our base is done, so we proceed by adding the meat. And if you want some extra flavor, you can go ahead and add some smoked sausage. We give it a good stir, and we add the diced red peppers. The seasoning is very basic. We add some salt, ground black pepper, and a few bay leaves. We add some water, we let it cook until the meat is almost done, and then we add the potatoes. We let it cook on slow heat until the potatoes start to disintegrate. The end result should look like this: a thick, delicious goodness, topped with sour cream and some freshly chopped parsley. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment below. See you on the next one.